Hi guys, welcome to part 2 of our half square quilt block variants. And I got carried away, I will tell you this, I did. I made so many more than I had anticipated, but guess what? I had all those half squares just lying around and they're so cute, they really are cute. Okay, let's not waste any more time, let's watch part 2. But you know what? If you don't like the chevrons, that's totally fine. You can totally make some very cute lines too. Look at that. Look at those lines forming, guys. It's just gorgeous. So awesome. And there we have it. And you know what? These will definitely go on my list for pillows. These will make excellent pillows. Let's sew. Okay, so here we go. Yeah, this was totally a mistake. This one should be here, this one should be over there, but I actually love it. So I am leaving it as is, and I'm definitely making a strip pillow really soon. Because you see, you know, half squares are probably my favorite element to work with because they are just so versatile, you know? Any combination you make with these little fellows will look absolutely cute and stunning and awesome even when you make mistakes. Any combination whatsoever. And if you disagree, let's just keep going because I'm pretty sure I can change your mind. Okay, another very simple, very easy pattern to make with half squares are hourglasses. And we've made these before on Vlogmas, and we just do it again. So we are taking these 16 half squares and we are making tiny hourglasses, you know, just playing with them a little bit and see what we get. This is actually my favorite part, you know, to play with the fabric and discover stuff I wasn't counting on, but you know, it works nonetheless. It's just so exhilarating, so exciting, and I actually love doing that. That's why I do so many of these variant videos, I guess, because I get to play with fabric. You know, this isn't planned. Well, some of them I know I'm going to do, but you know, this is not planned at all. I just make them and play with them and see what I get. And here are our beautiful hourglasses. And we can make them in a row, or we can alternate them, just like so. For example, this one is vertical and this one is horizontal. And yeah, I think I will, oops, this was a new one. I think I like this one. What do you think? Or maybe, how about this? This one is like this one is like this, but this one changes. Yeah, I think this will look definitely better. Look at that. Okay. So this one is here. Yeah, just like that. Alternating hourglasses. I love them. I am going to sew them just as they are. Okay, here we go. These are hourglasses. Which version did you prefer? In fact, which version did you prefer of all the quilt blocks I've made so far? Don't forget to leave me a comment below letting me know, okay? I would love to know. Okay guys, this is going great, but I still have a lot of half squares I've made for this video, so let's just keep going. What shall we do next? You know what? I had been thinking about that axe we made earlier, and I think we can make one more axe that will really mark the spot. I don't know why I said that. Okay, so for this little cross, we mix in our flying geese with our chevrons. So the way that works is we just do this like that. So chevrons and flying geese. And suddenly we can see our little X starting to form. just like that. Perfect, right? This looks really cute. But you know what? I've just remembered another X we can make. So yeah, I think we're going to do that. You know, the ideas just keep coming and coming. Yeah, we'll be here. We could be here all day. I hope you have time and patience. Okay, so here's our pinwheel, right? And then from the pinwheel, we create some nice little crosses, like, for example, something like this. There's one. And something like this. There's another. And just keep going. One more. And here we go. How cute is this one? Okay, we just need to sew this one. Be right back, guys. And there we go, another really cute axe. What is your favorite axe though? Let me know, because we've seen a couple and they're all really, really cute. I'm telling you guys, I want to make a sample quilt out of all of these. I really, really do. Okay, just to prove my point, have you ever heard of broken dishes quilt blocks? It's mayhem, pure chaos, beautiful, colorful chaos. Let's go. So essentially, a broken dish quilt block is, you know, half squares all over the place. Let's see if I can still remember how to make one. So, I know we make a pinwheel. Yeah. So I know we make a pinwheel, and that's where we start off from. So let's do that. Little pinwheel right here. Oh, sorry, this one isn't. This one's like this. Okay, so we start with a pinwheel. And if we stop, that would be it. But we're not stopping, we just keep going. And they're all over the place. So this one is like this one is like this one is like this. You know, the whites can't touch, the colors can't touch either, but aside from that, you know, it's fair game. Let me see, this one is here. Yeah, this one goes like this. This one goes like this, no touching. And this one goes like this, I guess. And this one goes like this. There you go. Kind of cute in its chaotic mess. Let me just switch a few of these around. Maybe one like this. Yeah, I think it looks better this way. Okay, let's sew. And here we have it, the quintessential half square block, broken dish, loving it. Another lovely option that's just a little bit hard on the eyes when it's a big one, or kind of hypnotizing depending on who's looking at it, is this next one we're going to make. And we're just going to start with a diamond on the center. And then I guess we could say it just shoots out, you know, it just grows. Ours won't grow too much because it's only like 16 half squares, of course, but imagine keeping this up for a whole quilt. Stunning, just stunning. Let me show you. So this one grows in this direction, and in this direction, and this one grows in that direction, and that, sorry, and in that direction, and then shoots out even more, like so. And it grows, and it just goes all the way. Now, I would be lying if I told you I know how many variants we've made so far. You know, from variants to sub-variants, I've kind of lost count. Was it 10, 11, 15, 20? Oh, let's just keep going, okay? I still got a bunch left. And I'm just having way too much fun to stop, because now come the stars. Okay, so now for our first star, we are just going to turn a couple of flying geese into a friendship star. Do you remember friendship stars? I do believe we made one on Vlogmas, I think. I think it was Vlogmas. Yeah, so 2 this way, 2 this way, then 2 of them go up, and 2 of them go left. And can you actually see the friendship star? You know, this one right here. Isn't this stunning, guys? Oh, this is so gorgeous. Let's sew this one, okay? And here's our lovely star. Oh boy, I love stars, and this one is probably my favorite. Actually, you know, we've made some stunners today, but this is probably my favorite quilt block so far. This is gorgeous. I really did save the best for last. Okay guys, we've been doing this for a while. Well, not you, because I'm going to edit this into a much smaller video, but for me, it's been a couple of hours now. Next, we are turning a pinwheel into a star. So let's do our cute little pinwheel. And you really can't get enough of pinwheels, can you? And one right here. And then let's do one like this. So essentially it's a pinwheel, it's a flying geese pinwheel, I guess. Can we call it that? Because yeah, we're making flying geese all around. So one here, one over here, one more. Flying geese and pinwheels really do go well together, I guess. And there you have it. Tiny little star with the flying geese, and it's just the cutest. Okay, for this next one, and that's actually our last star, we are going to make a center with, you know, a diamond, and you can do the other way around. You can do, you know, a pattern fabric diamond, and use the white background, and then you just go and do a couple of star points. So this joins, and so this. So we're making little V's, you know, and this, and this, and then we just make our colorful little outsides, just like that. Now we could, as I said, let's see what's best. Is this a better version? Maybe. What do you prefer, the white diamond or the pattern diamond? Oh, I don't know. Yeah, I think this one looks cute. Let's sew, guys. Let's sew. And here we go. Stunning, stunning, stunning. We definitely went out with the bang. I am definitely thinking about making half square sample quilts. I am telling you, for the number of variants we're making, we kind of could do that. And here we have it, guys, a gazillion half square variants. And no, I didn't do all of them. There are a few more left. So I could just go on and on and on, but I think you get the picture. I love them all, to be honest. I hope you do too. And that's it, you guys. You have just watched 22 variants split into 2 videos. You can watch the first one after this one if you haven't. Thank you for doing this with me, and I will see you very, very soon. Bye bye!